Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Student, welcome to Finance and Banking online class. I am Nasir Farooq, lecturer at Greenfield School and College. Today, I am going to start a new lectures on the chapter Bank Deposit. This is my last lectures in this chapter. The today's important topics is prospect of modern electronics banking systems in Bangladesh. Student, you know that at first in my last lectures I am also described the classifications of bank account. There are some uh, classification of bank account in the view of purpose or the benefit the depositors. There are basically three kinds of bank account, just like of current account and the savings account, and the last important account is fixed account. There are many other accounts in the purpose of depositors, but basically there are three kinds of account: current account, savings account, and fixed account. Current account holders always uh, the current account holders give the right or give the priorities to depositors and withdraw money in any times, in a day, in a week, in a month, in a year. But the current account holders doesn't get the certain rate of interest. The another important account is savings account. Savings account holders, the savings account holders take benefit. They can deposit money in any times but cannot withdraw money uh, more than twice or more than two times in a week. But the savings account holders can take a minimum rate of interest rate. uh, Basically the fixed income persons, students are open these kinds of account. The third is savings account, fixed account. Fixed account holders can take the benefit. Fixed account holders cannot withdraw money in any times or within fixed times. After the fixed time, the depositors can withdraw money with interest rate. The fixed account holders provided or get the higher rate of interest rate. So student, in my last class I described the three kinds of accounts briefly. So I hope all of you are uh, clearly understand. So today I am going to describe perspective of modern electronic banking systems in Bangladesh. Here, electronic banking system is now providing valuable banking facilities, including money transfers, delivery of remittance, and 24 hours banking service to remote area of the countries. Student, uh, we know that when I was child, when we were child, we see there are some limitations. It is impossible to transact money in any times from the bank because of there is no banking systems or there is no ATM systems. But nowadays bank also gives the many facilities uh, to the customers so that they can withdraw, they can deposit money in any times. However, uh, he live in the village, he live in the rural area, this is not problems. So bank also provided the transactions, or bank also gives us the different kinds of facilities. Nowadays we are also transactions money from one place to another place by using ATM both, by using mobile banking systems, by using the SMS systems. So it is not difficult, but also it is the facilities uh, to us or for us from the uh, banking. The next line, to provide those service, a large investment is initially required by the bank. uh, Student, here the another important line, also 24 hours banking systems to remove area of the countries. This is important, and any others is money transfers, and uh, another facility systems just likes of remittance. At first we have to know what is remittance. Remittance is uh, one kinds of money whose those money are provided, those money is sent from the foreigner, or from uh, from the peoples who live abroad the countries or others countries. So the Bangladeshi peoples who live the other countries, and when they send money in our countries, it's called remittance. So student, a remittance is an important role, or uh, a vital roles in the economic growth in our countries. That's why remittance is very important sources. So bank also give us uh, the any times remittance money when our relatives or friends or families member sent money from the other countries. The bank also its money transferred or converted as it taka, then give us initially money. So the next line, however, greater number of people can be provided with those services through a small number of skilled employees by charging commissions and service charge. Student, we know that when we provided, or when we transaction money from one place to another place, whenever we need it, then bank also imposes a certain rate of charge, just like, so its call is flotation cost, its call is service charge. But bank also transactions money by using the minimum people. They also most of the times they using the internet systems, or they give up the facilities by using the ATM card systems, both systems. So the next line, those banking facilities are more convenient in terms of both service and incomes. That is why, like many other countries of the world, e-banking is growing a huge acceptance in Bangladesh. Electronic banking is playing a vital role in providing service to a largest number of people living in distant locations of the countries. So, a student, by using the electronic banking systems, we can easily transfer money from one place to another place in any terms. We can easily withdraw money. We can easily buying or shop whenever we purchase any product in the market. Then we use ATM card or debit or credit card or Visa card. By give this facilities, bank also get a certain rate of commission. The next line, it is hoped that banking sectors will further expand to provide its facilities to all the people of the country, irrespective of rich or poor, educated or uneducated. Student, this is important line. Please remember this, because of uh, nowadays bank also play a vital role to development in our countries, to uh, help the business transactions, to help the buying any product in the market. Nowadays uh, bank also give the loan for the poor people, for uneducated and rural peoples in the village, so that the farmer, the poor people can cultivate and they grow paddy and any other product, and then by using this loan they can uh, produce a huge number of product, so that they can sell those product and earn many money. By giving this service or by taking this service, rural areas, uneducated and educated persons can get benefited, and can get, they will be rich after the some time. That's why e-banking systems and banking systems nowadays, its increasing, its value is day by day increasing. The next one is, this banking systems has a growing popularity every day because it can facilitate banking service 24 hours a day. Clients of bank in Bangladesh are becoming more inclined to e-banking facilities day by day because the service is becoming cheaper and more easily available in present competitive markets. So, student, this is last lessons. Now I'm going to solve the exercise in this chapter, the multiple choice questions. Who is the purpose of deposit for client uh, the main purpose of deposit is client is loan facilities, building capitals, investments, foreign exchange. uh, so the purpose of deposit for clients is building the capitals. The second important questions, what is the place for risk-free investment? We know that, student, bank is the financial institutions who give us a certain rate of interest, and whenever we need money, then anytime so we withdraw money from the both or bank. That's why uh, bank is the place for risk-free investment. The next questions, read the following stimulant and answer the questions number 3 and 4. Read the following stimulant and answer the question number 3 and 4. Mintu Borua and his family visited Cox's Bazar. There he made all his expenditures by using an electronic card. So, student, here the electronic cards, there are two kinds card, or Visa card, just likes of debit or credit card. When his deposited money against the card finished, he asked his father to deposit money in his bank account. Then he withdrew some money and returned to Dhaka after completion of his visit. The number 3 question is, which of the following Mintu Borua able to withdraw money? Phone banking is not correct answer. SMS banking is not correct answer. The number B is ATM. ATM, I mean automated teller machine. It is one kinds of card, so it is correct answer. The last question is, Mintu Borua tour was successful due to internet banking system. It is correct. The phone banking system is correct, and third is SMS banking systems. All banking systems can be taking benefited by the Mr. Borua. That's why the three options is correct. So, student, now I am going to solve some short questions. Here the four questions. The first question is, what type of banking account does not offer any interest to its client? The correct answer is the current account, because current account holders doesn't provide a certain rate of interest, or doesn't provide an interest rate. That's why current account is the best answer from this question. The number B, in what type of bank account a client is not allowed to withdraw his or her money with interest? The fixed account holders, uh, client is not allowed to withdraw his her money with interest, because fixed account holders, such likes of account holders who is the owner of the account, doesn't allow to withdraw money within some period, or within a fixed period. After the time being, they can withdraw money uh, with interest rates. The third question, for home resident foreign currency deposit account is applicable. Home resident foreign, I mean, when some people visited the other countries, they need the money converted in dollars or peso or any other reals. Um, so the visitors uh, need the resident foreign currency deposit account is applicable. The last number is, which banking product does not impose its user to open a bank account? You know that, student, the current account holders doesn't need to operations, or doesn't need a account to open, doesn't need impose its user to open a bank account holders. So student, this is my lectures, and uh, the creative question is, Mr. Arif is a businessman in Dhaka. He has an account with Javed Bank, from which he can withdraw money as many times as he needs. One, he wants to Chittagong for a visit. There he got some business product in very cheap rate. He become able to buy those product with the help of that bank. It has branches in every district of Bangladesh, but it has no provision for cards. So student, the creative question is, first question, what is the main sources of fund is banking business? So the right answer is deposits, because deposits also money throw or money deposits many kinds of peoples, and bank also collected money from the peoples by applying the different bank account, just like current account, fixed account, and savings accounts. uh, this money is called deposit. The bank B, now number B, why does a bank offer different kinds of account? Explains different view or different purpose. The bank offer different kinds of account, just like so the some people, they need transactions money in any times in 24 within 24 hours. They also open the current account, just like the businessmen, any others, industrials people, they need money in 24 hours. That's why they open the current account. Just like the savings account, some fixed income people, just like of job holders and a student, that they does need in any times transactions money or withdraw money. Sometimes they withdraw money, that's why they open the savings account. And the fixed account people, they doesn't need in any time money, but after the some time they need a huge amount of money. For these reasons, they open the fixed account. The last question is, what kind of bank account Mr. Arif is Javed Bank? Explains. Uh, Mr. Arif opened the current account because Mr. Arif, whenever he need the money, they can withdraw money from the bank in any times within 24 hours, because Mr. Arif is a businessman. uh, when uh, when he got some product at the cheap rate, and then he buy those product by applying or withdraw the bank accounts or withdraw money from the bank accounts. So this account is current account. The last questions: a service of the bank makes business of clients like Mr. Arif easier. Elucidate. Student, we know that business bank is the financial institutions. Bank also provided the different service, and they take the service charge because bank is the financial institutions which institutions has no own money. They also collected money from the people's uh, uh, by giving a certain rate of interest. That's why there are three kinds of accounts. By those accounts bank collected money from the peoples. Bank also those money invested in the industries as business organizations. uh, Bank also give the a huge amount of money to the client or to the borrowers, just like of interest rates. uh, by they impose a huge amount of a huge rate of interest rate. So bank bank give the benefit. Bank give the money to the investors. Our investors always provided money from the bank. They transaction their business activities. By applying those activities, they produced a huge amount of product. The huge product, those products are uh, uh, explore the import and export in the other countries, and they get a huge amount of benefit or profit. uh, Otherwise, business organizations, they employ a huge amount of people, huge people. Those people earn a minimum, or those people get a minimum salary. Those salary, they can maintain their families. By applying those activities, a bank role a bank can participate a vital role to development in a countries. And bank also help the business organizations. We know that without business organizations a bank cannot run. Without bank a business cannot run. So bank and business organizations one another depend. So students, this is my lecture. I hope all of are understand these lectures. Otherwise, if you confused any topic, you also inform me. I will try to solve your problems. No more today. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.